Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another vlog. I just thought that I'll take you guys around with me again. I'm really trying to get into vlogging and maybe add like an extra day for vlogging. So this is like, you know, like a test drive kind of a thing. I really hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs that I've been making lately. Please let me know in the comments down below. But anyway, good morning guys. So today, right now, it's 11:20 and I'm about to book a cab, and as you can see, I have full face of makeup. I have also, you know, worn this outfit right here because I am heading out for an event. So it's not really an event. Basically, there's a pop-up / exhibition going on in Chennai, and chosen me as a blogger to kind of cover the exhibition and everything so that I can show you guys in my Instagram stories so that you guys can come and, you know, visit the exhibition. If you like something, you can buy. So I've been doing that on my Instagram for the last 2 weeks. I've been just promoting them on my stories. So today is the day and I just finished my bowl of food. So it's going to be like a combined vlog of 2 days because I have one like this event today and I have another event tomorrow. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and without any further ado, I'll see you guys in some time. I'm currently sitting in the cab right now and I have my bag full of things. So this is the bag that I decided to carry because, you know, it can basically hold a lot of stuff inside. So yeah, I'm in the cab right now and I'm heading out to the event and I'm kind of excited. I really love going to these exhibitions because there's so many brands under one roof, and honestly, like, you can find so many unique stuff that you might not find in your regular stores like Forever 21, H&M, or wherever you usually shop from. Let's see how it goes and I'll see you guys in the exhibition.
Ryan Little.
Okay guys, we are here. So this is what I'm going to be covering today. Look how pretty the decor is, and I am going to take you guys inside. So this is what the exhibition is about. I think they do it like at least once a year, every year. So yeah, if you guys miss it out this year, then definitely try to come next year because it's amazing and you get so many different things from so many different brands. I just got done with my first event for the day and I ended up buying a few things, so I'll show you guys what I bought. Also, my camera battery is dying because I just randomly decided to vlog and my camera didn't have a lot of battery life in it. All the Chennai peeps, if you've never visited the Amethyst Cafe, you guys should definitely come here. I'll just show you guys around. It's so beautiful. So like I was saying before, there's a store here so you can buy like clothing, jewelry, also these beautiful like home decor, and then on that side is the cafe. So if you've never visited Amethyst Cafe, it's absolutely stunning. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I managed to change into my pajamas and I'm just drinking some juice right now. So I'm back from the exhibition and we are actually going to catch a movie at like 3:55 p.m. so I actually have to change, get dressed. Whenever I can, maximum of the time I try to eat at home. Like, I'll have a good full meal so that I don't feel hungry outside, and I'm so proud of myself for not eating out. So after coming back, I'm just having a glass of juice because I'm like slightly hungry but not hungry enough to like have a full meal or anything like that. We're going to watch a movie, and if you guys are wondering why I watch so many movies, that's because my cousins are here. They are here for their summer vacations at my place. So that's why we're watching a lot of movies outside. See you guys later. Bye. I just got 3 things from the exhibition. So the first thing I got is this garlic dip from Hungrezi. So the next thing I got from there is this handmade painted wooden board, which is like a to-do list, and I just thought it was so cute. Favorite thing that I got is a beautiful kundan set. So I've opened it. This is what the choker looks like. This is in a full set, so it comes with the earrings and the choker. Obviously I'm not going to wear them together, and I can't believe I finally found it in the exhibition. So yeah, these are all the things that I got. I guess now it's time for me to get ready for the movie. So bye guys. So as you can see, I have completely changed into my gym clothes. So yeah, since I'm going to the gym straight from the movies, I just decided to change into my gym clothes because honestly all I care about is watching the movie. After I reach the gym, I will take off all of my makeup. So anyway, I'm gonna go watch the movie and I'll see you guys later. Good morning. If you guys didn't know, I actually wear glasses. Like, I have eye power, so I wear glasses at home. Whenever I go outside, I put on my contact lenses, so that's a new information. But anyway, good morning, or I should say good afternoon guys. Today's event is a new lifestyle store launch at this mall that I didn't even know existed in Chennai. So the reason why I'm picking up the camera only in the afternoon is because after I woke up, I had my breakfast, took a 1 hour's break, went to the gym, came back, took a shower, then I've just come out of the shower and I'm gonna go have my lunch because after I have my lunch I'm gonna get ready and then we are going to leave for the launch. That place, OMR, is like 25 kilometers from where I live, so it's actually quite far. Let's just go ahead. Hey guys, so this is what my lunch looks like, and after having this I'm gonna go and start getting ready. So I am extremely late. So basically I was supposed to leave at 2. The event starts at 2:45. I generally like to be like 15 to 30 minutes late and not more than that, and the email said that the event starts at 2:45, and guess what, I'm leaving the house at 2:45, like exactly at 2:45. I literally had like a mini mental breakdown at home. I mean, everything else was ready. I put on my makeup, I had my bags packed and everything, but I just couldn't choose the outfit. It should be like a lesson to me to choose something earlier, the day before, or at least in the morning. Even though I do that 90% of the time, I don't know why I didn't do it today, because I thought I had time and I got late. I am so glad we're on the highway right now. I'll show you how beautiful it looks, and the highway and the smooth roads is just really helping me just calm down. I'm just going to relax, listen to some music, and I'll catch you guys later.
Oh darling, won't you stay? We'll make heaven out of my place. It's been one hell of a day. It shouldn't rain like this in LA. Ooh, yeah. Maybe I'll get some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. Maybe I'll roll one up for later. Ooh, if you wanna get mellow, alright. If you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow, yeah. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and get as high as we can. Maybe I'll light some candles for you. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on so we could get mellow, just like we're 17. Home alone back in your basement.
You know, it's lifestyle, it's just the usual. This definitely is a lot bigger, and there is so much more makeup brands available here as well. Like I can see a My Glam counter and just so much more. It's definitely a lot bigger lifestyle, so you will find a lot of things here. So yeah, OMR people, come here to shop. So anyway, I will insert the footage that I took of the actor, you know, answering some of the press questions. So yeah, let's roll that next.
In Chennai, and it gives me immense pleasure, and I'm amazed to hear the growth that the brand Lifestyle has had, that they've opened their 7th store in Chennai, their 77th store in India. That's amazing. And the fact that they've lasted 20 years in this industry, which is pretty cutthroat, and there are so many new brands now, so many overseas brands coming in.
Hey guys, so now that the event is done, this is where I explored. So yeah, I don't really have anything to do here at the mall, so I'm just going to explore a bit, probably get something to drink because I'm really very thirsty. It's 5:30 right now. I honestly thought the event will be a lot longer than just 5:30. I thought it would be like 7 PM or something, but it got over way quicker than what I expected. Since this is like a super new mall, there weren't a lot of options for me to choose for, so I just went to the supermarket and got myself, whoa, that was okay, oh my god. So yeah, I just went to the supermarket and got myself this Nestle iced latte, and honestly this does not taste as good as I want it to be. I don't know, there's just something about it that's off, but for now this will do. Guys, can we just acknowledge the fact that I went out yesterday and today and I didn't eat out anywhere? Like I was literally in a mall and I didn't eat out. Like I give myself a round of applause. I think I'm gonna close this vlog here itself, because after I go back home I'm gonna start editing this vlog. I'm gonna start editing some pictures to put on Instagram, blah blah blah, and that's pretty like very boring stuff to show you guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and found this, I don't know, a little fun. I just thought I'll show you guys just a teensy-weensy glimpse of what goes on in our day-to-day life. Obviously this is nowhere close to what actually happens, but I just hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys did. Also subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
If you wanna get mellow, if you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby we can stay mellow. We can make this apartment paradise.